Now we will start exercise 14.4. is the last exercise. It is very important for 10th standard. Here is the given numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 3, 3 and 4. Three things we have found: mean, median and mode. Okay? Median and mode, let go. We will do then. But mean first. Mean is the word that learned from the 7th or 6th standard. There were word average. Okay, average and mean both are same. Average. So to find the mean x bar is formula is x bar equal to sigma xi upon n. Let us know all the parameter that is given. X bar means mean that we have find. Sigma xi means addition of the all observations, and n means number of the observations. Okay? So make addition. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 whole divide 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and then 10. 1 minute, I think question is the mistake. 2 3 4 5 0 2 3 4 5 0 1 3 3 4 3 3 3 4 3. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, total observation is the 10. 10 is the number of the observation. That is, total observation is the 10. And sigma, this symbol is called sigma. This is sigma. Sigma means addition of observation. It is sigma. Sigma xi means addition of all the observation that we have done here. Now make total. 28 total. Is it right or not? Upon 10. 28 divided by 10. Need not to divide. Here is 1 0. So make decimal after 1. 2.8. So answer will be 2.8. This is the mean. Now median. Median is the new for you. This is the not for new. Only symbol is the new. Okay? Now median. To find the median, first what we have to arrange the given observations in ascending order or descending order. Generally we are doing in ascending order. In median, in ascending order. Ascending order. So first will be 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. How much time? 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this way. Then 4, then 5. Observation will be same 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What will be the mistake? 3 and 3 4 times. Okay, 0. 1 2 times. 4 2 times. Then 5. number of observations will be same, n equal to 10. Now median. For the median there are two formula. This n is 10 even. If n is the even 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, then formula will be different. And if n is the odd, if there are 9 observation 11, then formula will be different. So median equal to n upon 2 observation plus n upon 2 plus 1 observation whole divide 2. Whole divide 2. Put the value. N means 10 upon 2 observation plus 10 upon 2 plus 1 observation divide 2. Okay, 10 upon 2 means 5. So fifth observation plus 2 5 are 10, 5 plus 1, sixth observation whole divide 2. Now fifth observation and sixth observation we have see in ascending order, not in given question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth observation, and then sixth observation. This is also 3. It is need not all time will be same. Okay. So fifth observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the 3 plus sixth observation is also 3 divide 2. 3 plus 3, 6 upon 2 equal to 3. So in this way we can find median. Now mode. Mode. For the mode, need not any formula, need not any calculation. Mode means the observation with repeated or more frequency. You can see 3 is the here more. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So answer will be 3. You can take it 4 to times, but it is not more than 3. Only that observation select that repeated more times in given question. So 3 is the 4 times. So mode equal to 3. Why 3? Because 3 is repeated 4 times. So we can write directly answer mode equal to 3. Need not any calculation, need not any formula. Now question is this, sir, 3 4 times, but if there are 4 3 times also, 3 is the 4 times. If 4 is also 3 times, 4 times, then what we will do? 2 answer we have, right? 3 and 4. So write down this in your notebook. Now see another question. Find mean, median and mode of the observations. You have given observations in this way. Okay. Calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 observations. It is odd. So calculation will be different for median. Okay. For mean and mode, there will not be change. But for the median, it will be change. I also kept here for the median in ascending order. Okay, so our time will not. Okay, now see, we can say our time in this way. Now for the median, mean x bar equal to sigma xi upon n. Sigma xi means addition of the all numbers 41, 39, 48, 52, 46, 62, 54 plus 60, taking above line, plus now next line 96, 52, 98, 40, 42, 52, 60. Divide total number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We can write 15. Now it is your work. Okay? Make the addition of the given number in your notebook behind answer sheet or behind notebook. Make this addition. I will give few minutes for addition. Okay? No, 82. Use the remainder. 82 upon 15. If you can do also addition in your notebook. If it is wrong, you can tell me. 8 to 8 upon 15. Okay? Now divide by 8 to 8 divided by 15. 15 7 ja 75. It is wrong. 15 5 is 75, not, and 15 6 is 90. It will be more. So no, 75 plus 7 will be 82 and 82. Again now divide 78 is here. તમે કરો એડિશન પછી જો એડિશન ખોટું હોય તો કહો 822 will be addition. Now we can divide 822 divide by 15. Okay, now we will divide 15 5 75. 82 minus 75 7. 75 plus 782. Now 15 4 60. 2 7 minus 6 1. Taking 0 extra and taking point. 15 extra 1 can be. Okay. So it will be divided now exactly 54.8 is your mean. Okay. Now median. For the median we know that observation must be put in ascending order or descending, but it is our system, we can take in ascending. So 39 is very less. 39 then 40 2 times, 41 42 46 48 52 3 times, 40 54 60 then 62 96 and 98. Okay, this will be in ascending order. Number of observation will not change. N equal to 15, but this is odd this time, not even. So formula is the different. Million equal to n plus 1 upon 2 observation. Very short formula for the even. For the old. For the even wrong formula, but for the old short formula. Put the value. 15 plus 1 upon 2 observation. 15 plus 1, 16 upon 2 observation equal to 8th observation. Therefore, million equal to, few students write very wrong. 8 is the not answer. Here 8 observation. Starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 number is the 52. So 52 is your million. Okay? Now think about the mode. What will be the mode? Okay? What will be about the mode now? Mode. Very easy. Underline the number 52 3 times. No other observation is 3 times. So 52 is the answer. 52 occurs 3 times. Maximum. Therefore, mode equal to 52 answer. Okay, write down in your notebook how to find mean, median and mode. Now see question 3. The following observation have been arranged in ascending order. This observation is already given in ascending order, so need not arrange it. If the million is 63, another thing, in other example we have find million. Don't find million here. Million already given 63. What we have find the value of x. This is x. This is x plus 2. Okay? This is x. This is x plus 2. This is not x and 2 differently. One observation, two observation. Not like this is whole observation, one observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 observation is given. Okay? Here is the n equal to 10. That is even. N equal to 10. That is even. Calculate once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See comma. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we know that the formula for the million of even observation. N equal to million. N equal to n upon 2 observation plus n upon 2 plus 1 observation divide 2. Therefore, why therefore? Because m is the million already given in question. 63, write 63 here. Equal to n. We know that 10 upon 2 observation plus 10 upon 2 plus 1 observation divide 2. Therefore, 63 equal to, cut the number, 2 5 are 10 means 5 observation. 2 5 are 10, this is 5th, and 5 plus 1, 6 observation. 5th observation plus 6th observation divide 2. Therefore, these 2 is divided, so send it in multiply. 63 multiply 2 equal to, see if there is any problem you can tell me. Million is the 63. Okay. Fifth observation. Which is the fifth observation? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the fifth observation. That is x plus sixth observation. Not calculate only x or 2. Whole observation x plus 2. 63 multiplied 2 equal to fifth observation plus sixth observation. Therefore, 63 multiplied 2, 2 3 6, 6 2 12, x plus x, 2x plus 2. Now solve this equation as the equation. 2x equal to 126 plus 2x going to this side, that is minus 2. Therefore, 2x equal to, okay, 126 minus 2, 124. Therefore, x equal to 124 divided 2. Therefore, x equal to 2 6 12 and 2 2 4. So, x equal to 62 is the value of x. Okay. So, write down in your notebook value of x we have find.